everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I am bringing you a review from Chef's Limited, and this is their whistling teapot. You hear it? Yep, I'm about to have some hot chocolate. Isn't that cool? Turn it out. So you know when when your water's done. Okay, well this is a little warm, so it's not like you can just go grab it. FYI, you'll want to get some kind of hot pad or glove to turn your water. That was really warm. So this teapot holds 2.75 quarts of water, which is actually a lot of water. So let's see if I can get this off. Ooh. So I did pour one little cup, and as you can see, I hardly got rid of any water in there. Okay, so the steam, obviously, very hot. Alright, well this right here is $39.99 on Amazon. I will put the link and the price in the description box below. I do believe this comes in other colors, but I have the black here, which just about matches everything in my kitchen, so I really like it. I'm very excited to be using it. I'm glad that I have this. For this winter, we go through a lot of hot cocoa, and usually I put a pan of water and heat it up that way. But I'm very grateful for this. I'm glad. I've always wanted one, and I am glad to have one. I mean, because if you're in the other room and your water is done, you can hear it. I was in the other room and I could hear. I didn't know what it was at first. I'm like, what was that? Sounded like a car squealing his tires at first. Alright, well, you guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you on my next review. Bye!